Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today we are going to make hummus. I am using chickpeas, tahini sauce, aquafaba, salt, chili powder, oil, lemon juice, and garlic. You can use fresh cooked chickpeas. Check out my video on how to cook chickpeas. If using canned chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, drain first, reserving some of the liquid, and then rinse thoroughly. Enjoy! I use this hummus in place of traditional mayonnaise on a delicious grilled veggie sandwich that I paired with homemade kale chips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out the description box below for full recipe details.